If you love rustic, handmade, antique, and vintage home furnishings and creating a home that looks traveled and connected to nature, then come with me to Berbere Imports. This is our last day in LA, and we are headed to Inglewood to Berbere Imports, a 4,000 square foot warehouse full of home furnishings from around the world. They have items for the inside and the outside of your home. Let's check it out. Some cool looking gates, doors. So Ed, this was the space I was telling you about that they like make little living rooms and things like this. And then there's like all of this up here. Look at that. Can you imagine having a bath in that every day?
Actually, when I saw that,
pretty cheap.
Yeah, I actually thought that was like
That's $15,000.
Oh, I can't read $50,000. 15,000.
15,000.
No, when I saw
Not
15,000, I was
1,500.
like, that's appropriate.
Oh, okay. Some very cool chairs. Yeah. So we're headed upstairs. I'll give you guys a view of the whole space when you're up here. Got all the light fixtures. Some masks. Tons of rugs. Room dividers. Should we have come here first before Bubby bought that room divider? Because they have some here.
Probably expensive.
Yeah, I don't know.
They're not looking for a room divider.
I know. Pound 60. I like those back there too. Or 120. Like this urn looking one. Maybe $50 for that. Ginormous clam shells. Pearls in them. How much is that? $3.50, same as the one downstairs. Oh, hi. What do you think? It's cool. Giant vessels. Got some stools. Looks like $195 on those. Oh, you're done up here? Okay, bye. Lots of mirrors. Cool cabinets. Oh, these look like the ones I got. This looks like the one I got. How much is this? 60. Close. Mine was 60 with tax. Love these stands. Red Bulls. $160. $120. Those are cool. Some candle holders. 55. There's a horse back there. Maybe a horse. What's this? 90. I'm gonna head downstairs. These are cool looking chairs. Kind of like the Razorback. And there's this whole back area. I would take you guys, but we need to go catch our flight. So, just have to look at it from afar. A quick stop at a sandwich shop before we headed to the airport. You know what, LA? We got off to a bumpy start, but you've been great. While we didn't make it to Palm Springs on this trip, you provided us with plenty of food, fun, and general entertainment, so thank you. All good things must come to an end, as they say, and it's time to head home because New York is waiting for us. Next week, we are back to design videos. This time, it's arts and crafts. So if you like William Morris, craftsman houses, and handmade homes, this is your jam. See you next Saturday. Bye! Did you have a good time? Did you have fun with your friends while we were gone?
Oh, yeah, my bad.